About what you are going to have to do for your cartoon assignment, and you're going to get lots of flexibility to make this work however you see fit. So real quickly, the goal of this is to make a short presentation of several cartoons. Now you'll see that you're looking at the sheet here, and if you haven't already gone to Shobi, please go now. Go to Shobi and import this document. You can just put it in your homework tab. That'll be just fine. Now, think about all the different concepts we've had this year. Energy, waves, motion, accelerated motion, free fall, Newton's laws, force, gravity, and I say big etc. there because we've done a lot of other things too that are not listed. Now, your cartoons may be a true or false representation of how science really works or how these physics concepts really work, or it may be a little bit of both. Now, the source, any kind of comic strip or cartoon, I've shown you lots of examples. It could be digital or paper. If you decide to use video clips, you must not have any video clip that's over 20 seconds. In fact, it probably should be more like 10 seconds. If you decide to use video clips, though, you will have to edit those to get that 20-second clip. Now, here's what the end product is going to be, is you're going to share a video link with me. That video link will include either 3 to 6 cartoons, depending on how many people are in your group. If you decide to use Our Story, that is the only one that I cannot get a link for. Rather, instead, you'll have to actually email me the zip file. Now, we will also have a short presentation, kind of a share-a-thon format, to show off your products. Now, the nuts and bolts. This kind of tells you what I'm looking for. First of all, you could be in pairs or you could be individual. It's your choice. The purpose of this, remember, is to select cartoons that illustrate physics concepts, to discuss the science being represented, both fact and fiction, and then, of course, use technology to produce that video. EduCreations is one option. Our Story is another option. Adobe Voice and iMovie allow you to edit video, or any other appropriate app that you find easy to use. You probably have used something that you like even better. The requirements for this are going to vary based on your group size. So if you are an individual, then you need to have just 3 different cartoons. Here's the catch. Don't pick any cartoon that represents the same kind of physics concept over and over and over again. I showed a lot of force gravity ones. However, it's because we were in the force gravity unit. You're going to look through all of our units and pick out your 3 cartoons. If you use video clips, again, no video clip should exceed 20 seconds. Now, your video time limit, I really want to stick to these. The reason I want to stick to the video time limit is because it's going to allow you to be very concise with your words. For 3 cartoons, your video is no longer than 2 minutes. That means from beginning to end. If you are in pairs, the differences will be, you will have 6 cartoons. Video clips, same thing. And then the total time limit, notice it's not doubled. Rather, instead, it is 3 minutes instead of 2 minutes. The one thing about pairs is if you and your partner are doing this project, I need to be able to hear you and your partner's voices equally in the video presentation. So you and your partner need to divide up what parts you're going to say so that one person isn't doing all of the work. What do you have to include in your video? First thing is just a short description of what the cartoon says about science, and then thoroughly describe. Is it fact? Is it fiction? Is it a little bit of both? And I'd like for you to explain it using lab examples, lab experiences, things that we have learned in this class, which includes proper vocabulary. Vocabulary is important here. And then, of course, have fun. Have fun with it. Select some fun cartoons. It'll make it more fun for me to grade anyway. Now, if we take a look at how you're going to submit those, you will be submitting that with the group members' names right here on the scoring guide. You will also include the URL for the video that you made. So the web address or the link is what you're going to provide to me. And that link is going to be put in the document down below. And then I'll have a folder set aside on Shobi for you to actually put it together. Now, if you also look through the sheet, it describes the scoring guide. 3 cartoons. What does the video include? Is it well rehearsed? Is it logical? And do you have some creative or unique examples? Now, opportunity for extra credit in here as well. Total project point is 30 points. And then, of course, you have the link provided to the presentation. Now, that link will allow me to access it, and you can do lots of different things with it. You could always put it on YouTube and make a video that way. There are so many ways that you can make your videos just through your camera roll, and it could be a YouTube link. The only one is Our Story. If you choose to use Our Story, then you actually have to email that to me. Good luck, have fun, start selecting cartoons now until all the people finish the test.